Hello, artists and fellow ducklings. Today I'm going to be talking about the Hive Social app. Some of you might have already heard about it, you might not have heard about it, but either way, I'm going to go ahead and cover it here. So, as you can see here up on my screen, is this lovely infographic, and by that I really just mean a picture that was done by a graphic designer for the site. Showing some of the UI or user interface. Basically, Hive Social is just a social media app which is on your smartphone. It is available in the Google Play and also iOS App Store. Now, I did notice that there is basically no desktop site, so if you are a desktop art poster, probably not for you. However, for those of us who have a smartphone or use an emulator on their computer, it's actually a pretty decent site. They have a lot of categories and a lot of really cool stuff. They do have a dark mode, so all the crazy people who really like the alt version of sites, which are like white like this, who are sociopaths, they can convert to the dark side with me. But it's kind of like it's like if you mix Twitter and Instagram together. Like you got like the whole capability of posting and using hashtags and everything. And then some of the parts on the app, I'll show you in a few moments, actually have like a tiled appearance, which is a little bit more akin to Instagram for say Twitter, which is more of just like a long feed. You can also customize your like layout and stuff by actually like changing the color of like your name and like the hashtags and stuff when you are posting. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up here on my screen. But as you can see, there are quite a few options for like customizing profile. You can see like everyone who's followed you, and I'm not sure because I've had some people who I don't know who they are, I don't recognize them, they're not VTubers, they're not artists, and some random people have followed me, and that's okay. That's okay, but I do wonder how much of the traffic on the app right now is like bots versus like actual users. A little bit hard to tell because I haven't been on the platform very long and it is a newer platform. That being said, you'll notice that there's quite a few like categories. You do need to be a little bit careful though, especially if you have like an aversion to sensitive images, because I did notice that there are like nude photography and like NSFW art. So that's just something to be aware of. I don't know if they're gonna have issues like ArtStation had with being taken down from the app stores, but that's something to bear in mind. Being that can possibly be an issue, I'm not sure exactly what Hive's like plans are for that, for like handling that. But right now it's a fresh platform. There's lots of opportunity here, and while it's kind of hard to like link out your profile and stuff, you do have the option of like putting in like your own like custom ad, and like making your page your so that's much Hive's app right now. You can download it again from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, help the YouTube algorithm, help other people like you find this video. And if you have any ideas for future videos for me to like check out new sites, please let me know also in the comments below. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.